Elon Musk has made it clear that Tesla's ultimate vision for the Optimus robot is a machine capable of working around the clock, nonstop, without rest, without fatigue, and even without depending on its internal battery if it's connected through a tether. He said that if Optimus reaches 5 times the yearly productivity of a human, it's because it can operate 24/7 with zero breaks. According to Musk, TeslaBot Gen 3 already performs at a level that rivals human workers in cooking, cleaning, caregiving, and assisting the elderly, surpassing nearly all Chinese humanoid robots by almost a decade. But giving a robot that level of capability demands extremely advanced engineering, particularly in its battery system, the literal power source that keeps over 100 actuators moving for hours. Most people don't realize how much energy every step, turn, grip, or lift consumes. When a robot is heavy, every movement drains more power, which is exactly why most Chinese humanoid robots lose their charge quickly. They're simply too heavy and inefficient. Tesla's approach with Optimus Gen 3 is different. Musk revealed that it now uses one of Tesla's most advanced battery technologies with substantially larger pack, allowing it to run for a staggering 14 continuous hours, something no other humanoid robot has ever accomplished. Tesla set a new benchmark and is already working toward exceeding it. So, what can Optimus actually achieve during those 14 hours? And how transformative is this newly upgraded battery system? Over the past week, Musk's claim that AI will make work optional and money less meaningful has dominated headlines. He believes robots and AI could eliminate the need for humans to exchange labor for income. If today a person must grow and sell vegetables to survive, in the future a robot could grow them and sell them automatically. Essentially, physical labor becomes optional, and humans shift from doing the work to commanding the system. This explains why Musk is shifting Tesla from purely a car manufacturer into a robotics and AI powerhouse. Billions of dollars have flowed into humanoid robot development, and Musk continues increasing those investments because he clearly sees massive economic potential. TeslaBot Gen 3 might be the company's most world-changing product yet, with the potential to transform society, reduce poverty, and unlock new forms of wealth creation. Musk has even stated that Optimus could dramatically improve global healthcare. A robot that can perform precise tasks could become a top-tier surgical assistant, and eventually even a surgeon with unprecedented accuracy. He predicts Optimus could be the most important consumer product ever created, bigger than smartphones, bigger than computers, and bigger than cars. When Tesla unveiled the first Optimus prototype, it only carried a small 2.3 kilowatt-hours LFP battery pack because it was a basic proof of concept. It was never meant for real-world use. By 2023, the refined Gen 2 robot appeared with more polished movements and a slimmer, lighter frame, dropping from 160 pounds to 138 pounds. However, its battery pack remained mostly unchanged at 2.5 kilowatt-hours. Musk admitted that Gen 2 was still too difficult to mass-produce. The gold-color units seen afterward were actually Gen 2.5 models with upgraded AI but no significant changes in battery capacity. Everything changed with Optimus Gen 3. Musk confirmed that Tesla would install 4,680 battery cells inside the robot for the first time, pushing the total pack to around 6 kilowatt-hours, enough for 14 hours of real work. Gen 3 moves so naturally that it almost resembles a human in a robotic suit. Musk said that when people see it, they'll probably need to poke it to believe it's actually a robot. This version is expected to be Tesla's first official commercial release next year. With Gen 3, the robot will be capable of performing roughly 3,000 highly refined tasks, ranging from everyday household chores to advanced assistance in medical and commercial environments. Tesla has trained Optimus extensively to handle cooking, cleaning, folding laundry, organizing items, and various other daily routines. Hospitals will also begin testing Gen 3 for medical support roles. The 14-hour battery capacity is impressive on its own, but what's even more remarkable is how Optimus recharges. Most people assumed it would plug in like an EV, but Tesla designed a fully automated system. Just like the Cybercab returns automatically to a wireless charging bay, Optimus can navigate to its wall-mounted charging dock, align itself, connect, recharge, and return to work on its own. This level of autonomy puts it far ahead of robots from China or any other competitor. Since Optimus understands human gestures, pointing, waving, signaling hunger or directing attention. It can anticipate needs without verbal instructions. This opens a door for intuitive communication, even for people who have difficulty speaking. AI development has accelerated so quickly that most people now question whether certain videos are real or AI-generated. But for robots, AI isn't just about generating text or images. It's about real-world capability. Tesla already built a neural network capable of driving complex environments with a full self-driving system. Now, the same brain is being adapted for a humanoid body. People interested in owning an Optimus will need to wait until 2026, when mass production begins. Expected pricing ranges from $30,000 to $50,000, with early estimates placing Gen 3 around $40,000, comparable to a Model 3. Musk said that once Tesla reaches production levels of 1 million robots per year, costs could drop to around $20,000. At that price point, Optimus becomes accessible to businesses and households alike. A robot capable of generating around $2,000 worth of labor per month could pay for itself within a year, making it a powerful investment. Optimus never needs breaks, health insurance, vacations, or food, and performs tasks consistently. This creates enormous potential in industries like restaurants, warehouses, factories, hospitals, retail stores, and home services. Musk also envisions a rental or sharing model similar to Tesla's future robo-taxi service, where owners could lease their robots for passive income. Analysts like Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley estimate that a robot replacing multiple $25 per hour workers, while costing only $5 per hour to operate, could be worth $200,000 in long-term economic output. Tesla wouldn't just be selling robots. It would be creating an entirely new economic ecosystem with AI and robotics at the core. For Tesla to bring a humanoid robot like Optimus into homes and workplaces, it must build nearly every major component from scratch. There is no global supply chain for humanoid robot actuators, sensory modules, or skeletal structures. No existing manufacturer mass produces the parts needed for a machine this advanced. Tesla has to engineer the actuators, joints, motors, sensors, and control systems entirely in-house. This level of vertical integration is extremely rare, and only a company with Tesla's manufacturing scale and engineering talent could attempt something so ambitious. But the technical challenge is only one side of the story. The far more crucial issue is ensuring that a humanoid robot, capable of movement, perception, and decision-making, remains completely safe. Optimus isn't a passive appliance. It's an intelligent system that learns from data, interprets human behavior, and adapts to new situations. That makes it a high-value target for cyber attacks. For Tesla to bring a humanoid robot like Optimus into homes and workplaces, it must build nearly every major component from scratch. There is no global supply chain for humanoid robot actuators, sensory modules, or skeletal structures. No existing manufacturer mass produces the parts needed for a machine this advanced. Tesla has to engineer the actuators, joints, motors, sensors, and control systems entirely in-house. This level of vertical integration is extremely rare, and only a company with Tesla's manufacturing scale and engineering talent could attempt something so ambitious. But the technical challenge is only one side of the story. The far more crucial issue is ensuring that a humanoid robot, capable of movement, perception, and decision-making, remains completely safe. Optimus isn't a passive appliance. It's an intelligent system that learns from data, interprets human behavior, and adapts to new situations. That makes it a high-value target for cyber attacks. If someone were to compromise its data, manipulate its sensors, or modify its operating system, the consequences could extend far beyond a simple malfunction. In environments where thousands of these robots operate, factories, hospitals, restaurants, or private homes, a single breach could put people at risk. Tesla is developing multi-layer protection systems that include encrypted communication, real-time monitoring, anomaly detection, AI-based behavior filters, and emergency shutdown mechanisms. These systems must be robust enough to stop both external attacks and internal mislearning as the robot gains experience. The smarter a robot becomes, the more sophisticated its safety systems must be. Musk has insisted that Optimus will only reach customers when it meets the highest standard of safety. As we approach the release of Optimus Gen 3, people are already imagining the first tasks they would assign to it. Some see it as a household assistant that handles chores after a long workday. Others view it as a workforce replacement that could reshape entire industries. And many simply want a reliable companion to make daily life easier. Regardless of perspective, one thing is clear. TeslaBot Gen 3 is about to redefine how humans interact with machines. It could mark the beginning of a future where robots amplify human ability rather than replace it entirely. And with its combination of long battery life, autonomous charging, refined AI, lifelike movement, and ever-falling cost, the Optimus robot